Hi guys, this particular review it's all about the movie called Operation Java. If you question me which movie must be watched first, whether Chakra or Operation Java, I would tell you to watch Chakra because that movie is nothing. Just star cast values there and all this paid up likes or paid up tweets made this movie popular. That movie is bullshit, okay? And if you watch Operation Java, there's a lot of things involved. Both movie it's all about cybercrime. In Operation Java you would see lot of things which are people are facing in our country, but in Chakra you would see one particular point and one for nonsense reason. This particular movie it's all about all the staircase etc. I don't know why people are praising heroines etc, but let's get into this Operation Java. Operation Java is a movie where no any proper star cast has been, all these famous actors are not there. It's just nominal actors, and the movie it's all about all type of cyber crime. Here is an example for what are the things being discussed in this particular movie. It's all about online movie threat, and all this OTP issue, online purchase issue, all this fake job issue, all this coupon collection issue, all this Swiggy booking moments issue. All these things of online problems are being discussed inside this cyber crime, and a beautiful story. It's all about two innocent boys who just doesn't get any job in this particular society, who is getting interested into it. A BTech graduates, they are not getting job anywhere, and they are getting a temporary job in this particular cybercrime, and how they are finding it out each and every cases. All these fake videos, many people are suffering each and everything in this particular movie. By solving each and every case, these boys are becoming huge stars. And there is a question where whether these youngsters are being succeeded or not, because this particular country, if you have talent you would be thrown into dustbin etc, and the system is just like that. The movie plot it's all about uploading this Kerala cybercrime, because more than any other state, Kerala cybercrime is the best. And the way of finding all those cases in this particular movie, the story plot, it's really amazing enough. Because if you have a film, like a new film with you would get really fear if you watch this particular movie. It's all about a lot of cybercrime etc. What are the things, how you would be punished etc. And same way all this OTP crimes, and all this job, how they would cheat you, how they are collecting our details, how our datas are being transferred to our countries, and how they are earning money. The persons who are doing all this data entry jobs, please be careful. If you watch this movie you will be so shocked enough that this many amount of cheating is done all over the country. This particular movie is to be released in a worldwide way, but because of lack of all the star cast, this particular movie won't be reaching. But I'm just here to reveal that this particular movie is really, it's in another dimension. And the most horrifying thing is that it's all about Swiggy. City side people just book Swiggy, right? You don't know how people are coming towards your home, who are those people who are entering your home. That's their job. But you must ensure their identity or else your life is in danger. This particular movie, even that particular story is being added, and this particular movie must reach globally because all our data are being collected. And you would be imagining how your number is being shared. It's just like that. Each and every industry they have your details, and that's the reason when you just get all these calls from different location, from different states. Our data is being leaked. Please be careful about all these things. This particular thing is being discussed in this particular Operation Java. Each and every humans must watch this particular movie, or else definitely you would lose for sure. Instead of supporting Operation Java, please stop supporting all this Chakra, the worst movie. It's nothing. If you watch Chakra first, and if you watch Operation Java second, you would say the best movie. It's all about Operation Java. You'd be a fan of Operation Java film. And if you watch first Operation Java, and if you watch Chakra second, you would say Chakra is the worst movie ever you've watched. Okay, this particular movie it's all about youngsters, and that's the reason when even a small part of love is being made in this particular movie. Talented youngsters face all this breakup etc because of lack of job. You would miss all this love etc because girls would leave you. In such a way this particular movie is made. All this advice etc. All these youngsters definitely require all this type of movie, because many youngsters are being into vex because in a situation where to support you, these love would be moving away from you. They would be getting some other boy or some other marriage thing etc, and they would be moving it out. But how to maintain you, how to fight yourself strong to face this world, this particular movie it's all about that particular thing. Especially for this youngster, especially for boys, this particular movie is made. So I just want people to watch this movie and say back your comments in this particular YouTube video. Okay, so I have made a review in such a way to make you watch this movie. If you watch this movie, that would be the plus point in your life. I don't care about Tamil industry or Malayalam industry or Hindi industry or Telugu industry. If it is best, I would definitely review. It may be any type of film. Okay, so if it is a paid review, I will definitely open it out that this particular movie is waste, etc. And that's the reason behind when I saw in Twitter Chakra movie is being pumped up. I don't see Operation Java movie being pumped up because people just go behind Starcast, etc. I don't know when people will realize all this talents, etc. But with the hope that people would change their mind in this video. Take care. Have a nice day.